Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you? Hope you will be fine and stay at home safely. Today is our next class of Geo. Welcome to you all. Your next class. This is your Geo book 6. Let's start from the next topic that we have discussed the word effect and definition of geography in our previous class. Today we have our new topic that start from page 14, and the name of the topic is United Kingdom. You know, we have 7 continents in our world, and these are the map of the 7 continents of the world, and we have discussed our continent Europe. Clear? So this is the map of the continent Europe, and you know that United Kingdom is located in continent Europe. In continent Europe, we have discussed in our previous class that there are 45 countries in continent Europe, and United Kingdom is one of them. This is the map of the world, and as you can see with the green color, the map of the United Kingdom in the world map. This is the exact map of the United Kingdom, that it is made up of 4 nations: Scotland, England, Wales and Northern Ireland. Let's come to the fact about the topic of United Kingdom, that there are 4 facts of United Kingdom: that the capital is London, the currency is pound sterling, religion is Christianity and language is English. This is the flag of United Kingdom, and this is the capital, the London, the capital of the United Kingdom. The currency is called pound sterling, and it is also available in the coins as well. If we talk about the okay, this is the symbol of the currency pound sterling. Okay. If we talk about the religion is Christianity. As you can see in the picture clearly, that majority of the followers of the Christian religion, for example 41% almost, and beside Christianity there are also followers of other religions, for example Buddhist, Jewish, Sikh, Hindus and Muslims also live in United Kingdom as well. If you talk about the followers of Christianity, these are the followers of Christianity, and they worship in the church. Then the 4th fact of the United Kingdom is the language. About the language of United Kingdom is English. Clear? This is the language of United Kingdom. Now come toward the topic United Kingdom. Let's start from the first line, that United Kingdom, that is UK, is made up of 4 nations: Wales, Scotland, Northern Ireland and England. These are the 4 nations, as you can see, with the blue color Scotland, with the dark orange color England, dark blue color Wales, and the light orange color Northern Ireland. These are the 4 nations of the United Kingdom. It is made up of 4 nations. If we talk about the important cities inside United Kingdom, so these are Edinburgh, Manchester, Glasgow and Birmingham. Clear? Then come to and London as well. Then come towards the location, that United Kingdom is separated from the continent Europe by the English Channel Sea. As you can see in the pictures below, the English Channel Sea, although it is a country inside the continent of the Europe, but it is separated from the continent Europe through the English Channel Sea. Clear? Okay. Rain is very common at any time of the year, so the country is very lush green. As you can see in the picture as well, the country is very lush green because of the rainfall, because anytime you can expect rain in London. Now if you talk about some historical buildings, so there are some buildings, you know that United Kingdom is very old history, so we have some historical building in United Kingdom as well. For example, Tower of London. These are also some important castle historical building as well. These are historical buildings of the United Kingdom. Clear? Then if you talk about the universities, that the top class universities of the world are also located in UK. For example, University of Oxford, okay, and University of Cambridge, King College University, etc. These are the King College University. If we talk about the traditional food or the national dish of UK, that is fish and chips. This is the national dish of UK. Clear? Then come to the downward of your page number 14. There is another topic related to your main topic, United Kingdom, that is Tower Bridge. What is Tower Bridge? It was named after its two impressive towers. It is one of the London's best known landmarks. The bridge was completed in 1894. Originally, London Bridge was the only crossing over the Thames. You know Thames rivers, one of the 7 rivers in continental Europe. The middle of the bridge can be raised to permit large vessels to pass the Tower Bridge. It is used to be raised about 50 times a day, but nowadays it is only raised 4 to 5 times a week. You can also visit the inside of the tower when you can observe the original mechanism used to raise the bridge. This is the picture of the Tower Bridge, London, and this is the bridge that you can observe, and the bridge can be raised over 5 times a week. Clear? This is a beautiful view of the raising of the bridge when a large vessels go through inside the water, large vessels, so the bridge can be raised up. When you can observe the original mechanism used to raise the bridge, this is inside the Tower Bridge, that how the bridge can be opened or raised up. Okay, if this is also the landmark of the UK. Tower Bridge is also the landmark of UK. You know every country have the landmark, and you know United Kingdom has 2 landmarks, the Tower Bridge and the Big Ben. Okay, what is mean by landmark? Landmark, any visible symbol of a country or city. It may be any structure, natural and man-made, like a mountain, tower, bridge, etc. Tower or building, etc. Clear? So this is the definition of the landmark. Now come toward page number 15. On page 15 we have another topic, that is Big Ben. What is Big Ben? Big Ben is also the best known landmark and look most spectacular at the night when the clock faces the illuminated. The name Big Ben actually refers not to the clock tower itself, but to the 13-ton bell hung within. Okay, this is a beautiful view of the Big Ben tower in London, and you know it is near to the river Thames. This is the river Thames. The bridge you can also observe. This is the clock of Big Ben tower. Clear? Okay. There are 290 steps to clock room and 340 to the belfry. Big Ben is excellent timekeeper, which has rarely stopped. You cannot see the clock stop anytime. Okay? The tower is not open to the general public, but those with a special interest may arrange a visit to the top of the clock as well. Inside this tower bridge, actually it is not referred to the clock, but it is referred to the 13-ton bell inside the Big Ben, which is operated by the people. Then come to a general information of United Kingdom. That is a beautiful view of Buckingham Palace, London. As we have discussed that in London there is a parliamentary democracy and monarchy and democracy as well. So Buckingham Palace is the home of the Queen. This is the inside of Buckingham Palace. Some other information regarding to the United Kingdom, that London Underground train you can observe, as you know that United Kingdom is the advanced in the most developed countries of the world. Clear? So you can observe very advanced technology and high-rise building as well. Golf course in Scotland. Edinburgh Castle, some historical and beautiful places that tourists all over the world from the world can go and visit and enjoy the beauty of these places as well. Busy London street, these are, as I have discussed, that Buckingham Palace is the home of the Queen, and I have already told you that there is a parliamentary monarchy system. So these are the Queen and the King of United Kingdom. Clear? So students, hope you will enjoy and learn a lot from this topic. Kindly go through this topic thoroughly at home and learn the important sentences and the fact about the topic. Stay home and stay safe. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.